Alright guys, in today's video we're going to be talking about switching headlights on a T800. Also would work on a W900. Switching from the normal halogen bulbs to LEDs. So these are the normal halogens. And we're going to be switching for LEDs. Now we'll give a good example of what they look like now and what they're going to look like after. From the cab view. So we're going to flip the headlights on here. You can see what that looks like there. And you can see both are shot different directions. But there's your low beams. There's your high beams. Now I'm pretty sure these are pretty jacked up just by looking at it this way. So there's your low beams, and you can tell they're shooting all over the place. And there's your high beams, which they both work, but this is your before. So what you're going to do is you can get a Phillips head screwdriver. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remove those, and we'll be right back. So Phillips head screwdriver 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we'll be back. After you get that off, you're going to have a couple holding this ring on here. You have 1, 2, 3, and 4 on both highs and lows. So to give you guys a quick example, that is the old versus the new. Before and after, I guess you would say. Before, after. And the lighting difference is just amazing. So I left them both in that way for a reason. Get back in here. So you go in the cockpit view, the POE view, and there's your low beams. You can tell the difference of the LED on the left versus the halogen on the right. You can barely see it. And the high beams. Talk about night and day difference. This customer does a lot of night driving, so hauling hay and stuff, just a local farmer. And this O2 Kenworth T800. And as you can see, look on the right, the halogen and the LED. Big difference. Big difference. So we're gonna get the other side swapped out, and then we'll give you an overview. All right, you guys are gonna repeat what you just did on this saw on the driver's side, on the passenger side. This is the overall effect afterwards. So you got LEDs, LEDs. Let's go to the important part, what you can see at night. So the cockpit view, you guys saw it before. Now, got a nice crisp flat line there. Nice brights. Huge improvement over the stock halogen bulbs. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you'd like to see more how-tos on semi-truck content with LED headlights and other things, click on the subscribe button over here. Check out the video over here, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching. If you guys enjoy semi-truck content, consider giving us a subscribe. Right, it's right here in this corner. Just hit the subscribe button. You'll enjoy it. We got automotive, semi, welding, metal fab content coming. We got all kinds of things going on.